Hi and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel. Now, the beard oil that I've just used is beard oil number 200 that I've tested and reviewed, and I was kind of excited, looking forward to this. This is a big thing. I got a kit through from Zeos for men with two oils, Radiance and Inspire, with a comb. And so I started with the Radiance first. Now, it's made up from, this is the first thing I'm struggling with, and I've been over this and over it and over it. On their website, they say they've got eight carrier oils to nourish your beard. And so I've been over the labels again and again and again, and I've even messengered it to someone and said, can you just double check this for me? But no, we can only find 6. Sweet almond, grapeseed, castor, evening primrose, argan and jojoba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Vitamin E is not classed as a carrier oil. It is classed as an additive, especially in this one that they've got it as. They've got to find it, tocopherol acetate. That's how you pronounce it. So that's the first thing that I've struggled with this brand, trying to find the 8 oils that they claim that they use. I started as I normally do on the first day, give the beard a good wash, give it a good old rinse, brush it through, and I applied the Radiance oil. Now this is what they say about the Radiance. A bold and contemporary fragrance created for the dynamic man who likes to squeeze every single drop out of his life. Sharp but sweet top notes reminiscent of glittering fruits sit atop a heady yet distinguished base, making this a long-lasting scent to wear as close to as your beard to energise and invigorate throughout the day. Yes, it was long-lasting. Right. Come midday, and I haven't had this for ages. I'm in here doing this like, oh, what's going on? Feel itchy. Driving me mad round here. Then a slight burny sensation. I'm like, what's going on? Stay with it. Yes, there's good points about reviewing, there's bad points. Come the end of the day, I thought the wife was going to try and de-flea me because I'm in there, Jesus Christ. And I put online, oh my God, and people said, just, right, you've done your job enough, just stop using the stuff. And so I did. And that's a shame because I like to give an oil a proper test. And this is because this uses fragrance oils. Now, I've used fragrance oils in a lot of products before, hell of a lot of products, and I've only ever once had a problem with them causing an itch. And I won't name the brand. So, there we go. I'm itching, the old fragrance oil. 6 oils, not the 8 that I can find. The dog's off barking, of course he is as soon as I press record. The scents for me, and the other one, the Inspire, says, an unforgettable fragrance journey created for the kind of man who other people like to follow. A dominant masculine blend with a contemporary twist, Inspire speaks of high achievement, reminiscent of the boardroom or a gentleman's club. A perfect signature scent to wear as intimately as on your beard. How can I describe the scents? The scents for me came across as kind of a 2-for-1 pound shop aftershave, unfortunately. They're long lasting. I didn't like them at all. At all. And look, don't get me wrong. I hate negative reviews. I hate speaking badly about a product. This is somebody's baby. Somebody has spent time blending and creating these products. It's something that this person or these people are proud of. But as a reviewer, you can only review honestly. Otherwise, there's absolutely no point whatsoever in reviewing. I don't review and say, oh, it's great just because I'm grateful that I've been sent products. It's not the way it works. I've seen some great reviews for these out here, but then I've seen some great reviews for the product that I consider the worst in the world, don't ever touch product, the Great British Grooming. I've seen people going, oh, this is amazing. So is it a little bit like, if you've used nothing, does this feel good? but if you've used this, does this feel good? Do you know what I mean? And I've used some damn incredible products. I've been so lucky. 200 beard oils, 375 products in total, and I've tested some just bloody incredible products. These for me are a 40 out of 100. They are for 30ml, was £9.99, now £7.49. They say they've got a sale on, and the kit was £22.99, now £17.24. Available from zeosformen.com. Now, going by the labels, as I've said before, there's a way you have to label to abide by regulations, and you start with the ingredient that you've used the most of by ratio and go down. Now, if this is labelled correctly, the fragrance oil sits in just after evening primrose. So you've got sweet almond, grapeseed, castor, evening primrose, then fragrance oil. Now the maximum you can use in fragrance oil in something like this, because these things over certain levels are a bit dodgy, is 2%. So that means that argan and jojoba and the vitamin E oil additive are all less than 2%. Now some of the others you will find 20% of those in there. You know, it's like saying, oh well, I've got argan oil, but it's a drop. Just to say it's on the list. This is where we've got to be careful, you know, contains. This product contains. How much of this product is actually that ingredient? So what I'm going to say is it's 40 out of 100. Zeosformen.com. I'm afraid I'm not impressed at all with them. Sorry, Zeos for Men. But SatonmyButt is the home of always honest reviews, and it will continue to be that. So instead of 2 reviews, because I'm not going to go and put the other one on my face and scratch like a dog with fleas again, the 2 oils, the beard kit in one, that's my review, a 40 out of 100. Just when you look for reviews, dig deep, because some people get given free products and they think they've got to give it a good review. That's what happens. And I saw this particular oil in a top 5 beard oils for Father's Day blog, and some of the other oils I'm like, what? Top 5 beard oils? The guy had stubble. Literally stubble. And that's a bit like me doing a review for a running machine or a pair of trainers or a hiking holiday. It's, you know, it's not going to happen. It's not going to be honest. There you go. That's my review. I will see you next time. Hawkins and Brimble beard oil up next. I could bump all my reviews further in because I've had to stop testing these, but I'm just having a few days enjoying my favourite products. Oh, and am I enjoying it? Oh, it's lovely to go back and choose what I want to use. And that's it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.